Alright guys, this quick tutorial I'm going to show you, this is step by step how to schedule your video on your YouTube channel. So let's go and do it. This is step by step. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube channel and you want to add new here, create new. So you want to upload new video here and you're ready to go. So you want to upload your video. So now you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube. So you want to go to now that you've completed uploading the video, so you've added the description, you've added the thumbnail here, you've added the tags here and the recording date here. So now you want to publish it. So you want to go click next here and next again. So here is where you're going to be scheduling your video. So here around here you are going to schedule. If you want to schedule your just click here and you say the time here. So you want to schedule your, let's say I want this post to publish, this video to publish tomorrow. So by this time tomorrow you are going to see it on my channel there. So here is where you are going to be schedule your post. So if you want to schedule it, just schedule it, and you can change the month here and the time here, the month, the date, the year, and the time here. So when you finish, you hit schedule and your video is ready to be published automatically by this time tomorrow. So that's how you schedule your video on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you have any question, anything about this video, please let me know in the comment question down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.